Well, the Federal Reserve has broken its silence. Just a couple days ago, there was a report that came out that said the Federal Reserve is considering raising interest rates in 2022. Okay, why is that important? Well, first off, it's important because originally it seemed like the plan was 2023, which means that they feel the economy is doing well enough that it can stand on its own two legs without this infusion of cash that keeps interest rates low. Remember, interest rates are basically just the cost of money. And the lower the cost of money, the more easily it flies around. So the interesting thing about this is we've been waiting for this for a while, for this announcement. We in the office, we suspected this for a while. It's important because interest rates are the tool to fight inflation. They are the Federal Reserve's tool to keep inflation low. The fact that they believe they may need to raise interest rates in 2022 indicates that they may believe inflation could stay higher into 2022. That's something for us to watch for economically speaking. But even forgetting the economics and focusing just on the markets, usually interest rates rising tend to be a headwind for the markets. Now, this is not to say, wow, before this announcement, the market picture was incredibly rosy, and after now it's incredibly gloomy. No, this is not necessarily going to turn a good market into a bad market. But it is something we need to watch and especially plan for as we position all of your portfolios for the next year, because we need to anticipate interest rates rising. There are a number of different factors that will happen from that, but it's very interesting that the Federal Reserve did come out and say what we had been suspecting for a little bit, that 2022, probably the second half of 2022, but we'll see, will be the time that they expect interest rates to rise. So it's good to have a date in mind. Obviously, this could change. We'll continue to watch it. And the effects of it are yet remain to be determined. So it's another one of those wait and see updates from me. But it was a good step to get this announcement to kind of pin a date down and kind of react to that. So I view this as good news. The Federal Reserve believes the economy is on strong footing, otherwise they wouldn't be considering this. And we're going to have to wait and see, as always, for how the consequences shake out.